Before this video even gets started, man, the ad of the day, man, the ad of the year is the Up Next beanies, man. Make sure you cop, make sure you shop the Up Next beanies. Hold on, let me take my headphones off so you can really get the gist of the beanies, man. Come on, bro, stop. You know what I'm saying? Stop playing, bro. Feel me? Stop playing. This how you put it on. Ain't this my little sleep shirt and I don't even pay no attention. You just pay attention to these flavors, man. You just pay attention to these different flavors for different flavors. You dig what I'm saying? Make sure I go shop, make sure I go cop. And yeah, this my personal part right here. I got them in all flavors. You dig what I'm saying? Regular 70, but the sale is 50. You dig what I'm saying? Prevents frizzy, dry, and damaged hair. Protect and serve your hair. Order yours today at Up Next Lifestyle, at Up Next Mile on IG. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and hop into this video. Basically reviewing Ja Morant's video. Ja Morant's dreads. You know what I'm saying? Ja Morant's dreads on the Grizzlies. Let's hop straight into it. All right, so look, I got up all this information for y'all because I just want y'all to like know, like we going from when he was in the league, you dig what I'm saying? So when he's on the Grizzlies, you feel me? So I typed it in on Google. When did Ja Morant and bro, niggas ain't about to keep telling me I'm pronouncing this nigga name wrong, bro. I gotta hear somebody say it. I gotta hear somebody say it. Cause niggas ain't about to, oh, you're saying his name wrong, bro. No, bro. No, bro. Not in this video, bro. Not in this video. You feel me?
I'm a fan of Golden Hoops.
Cause look.
Claxton mistimed his jump. Morant in transition. Oh, Ja Morant!
Ja. Okay, I kept saying Jay. My bad. Okay. All right, y'all got me. Y'all got me. All right, my bad. Look, the only reason I found out about Ja Morant, bro, was because everybody was like, bro, you look like Ja Morant. I'm like, who is Ja Morant? So then I just made a video on him, and then it was like, yeah, you look like Ja Morant. I'm like, all right, I don't know, but shit, we can watch these highlights right quick, though, no cap.
With a man's jam. Avery Bradley with the deflection against Ja Morant.
I mean, unreal is right. This guy, this is what he is.
Nigga about to kill himself, nigga. Damn. Damn, his elbow hit it and everything.
Top of the
Damn.
going backward. Look at his hands up there. He almost.
That boy crazy. Man. I don't know what type of music you got playing, my nigga. I don't know what type of music you got playing, my guy. You can't get me. And one. And one. And he still finished with his right hand. And this nigga ain't even that big, bro. So I can understand, bro. I can understand what y'all talking about. I can understand what y'all talking about. Damn, that was a good ass pass. That was a good ass pass. It's like this nigga go crazy against the Lakers, bro. All right, bro. Anyways, we not even here for that. We here for basically his dread journey through the NBA. You know what I'm saying? To what he is right now. So the first photo I want to start off is this photo right here, man. And a lot of people ask me like, yo, like how did you start your dreads? How did you, bro? This is the comb method. You know what I'm saying? You could call it the coil method. You feel me? But basically, when the loctician or your salon person at your hair, she basically used a comb and she twist that bitch up. You hear me? Like she do it like that. You know, and this is when he just got in, you know. So Then we're gonna go to some more pictures. I see his dreads pretty much coming down right here. Basically starting type John. Yeah, see, he just got drafted in, you know. He probably about 6 months to a year. He probably about like a year in. I'm recording. Right here. Right here. Sheesh. Right here. Hold on. How you back out? We trying to see the dreads. Yeah, so he about like a year in that motherfucker. No cap. Then look at Rondo. He like, yeah, he know it's over with. Everybody look at LeBron. Everybody like, yup. His career over with. That nigga AD career almost been over with. Look at Rondo. I can see how people say, yeah, you look like him, you know what I'm saying? Off of like some shorter dress or something like that. Hold on, y'all know how many minutes we at? We gotta pay them bills. We had 6 minutes. Y'all know we gotta pay the bills, bro. We need at least the 8 in this motherfucker. Where you at? Alright, so look, we basically gonna check out, okay, I messed with this picture. This is a little closer up. You know what I'm saying? This is a little closer up, motherfucker. But, you know what I'm saying? We just gonna check out this picture right here. Yeah, so this is before he even did the dunk. You know what I'm saying? So this is about 6 months. Yeah, this right here about 6 months. Okay, boom. What year he won, what is this? Rookie of the Year, 2019. So this Rookie of the Year type shit. So this is his Dreadlocks first year. This at the end of the year. Basically. Feel me? And so now, where he at now? He on some type shit like this. He on some type shit like this now. Them bitches hard. I like how you got the little stripe right there. I don't even know why. Why he got a patch? Why? Bro. Freak no. Wait. Shout out to Great Locks.
Dreadlocks they're going for. It looks very maintained inside of the hairstyle. Now, like we see here, of course, his hair is maturing and it looks completely mature.
So he basically
but at the same
died.
time, he hasn't had dreadlocks for any longer than 2 years. Let's face it, dreadlocks really take, I would say, about 4 to 5 years to actually completely want to actually be mature dreadlocks. And even from there, your dreadlocks are constantly maturing over time. It doesn't matter how long you've had them. They just constantly are changing and looking different. That make them stand the actual length to be a little bit twisting with gel and you.
But yeah, so that's what basically type of time we on, man. You know, y'all know how we do these reaction videos. You know, we get them in, we get them out. You feel me? We in and we out. Comment down below who else Dreadlocks y'all want me to react to. Anything like that, man. Make sure I go shop. Make sure I go cop. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I at least go check out the @upnextlifestyle Instagram. You feel me? And go make sure I go follow me on Instagram as well. @upnextmalyt. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.